Be honest, I need to taste it. Let me know if you guys want more meatballs. I didn't want to put. I only gave you guys 2 each because I don't want you guys to throw it out if you guys are not gonna eat it. Yeah. The water's in the closet. If you guys are thirsty, go get the water in the closet. Papi, how much pasta, my love? Huh? Like this? And babe in the closet. There's lemonade. I got lemonade and blueberry and lemonade and I don't know what is the other one. I think strawberry or something.
Bro, I know. You really made me want to. I know. I could tell. I was appreciate you. I already know, man. And that shit was on Superstar. Like, I'm good.
Quizás no te importa, quizás te va a doler, esto es un ratito.
Here, papi. If you guys want more sauce, let me know. If you guys want more meatballs, let me know. That bread is so tender. Here, papi.
He needs more time. What about you?
You can eat them away.
What you see? You just did. Lemonade.
Alright, look, there's lemonade, there's passion fruit, there's lemonade and blueberry, and there's also ginger ale. Lemonade and blueberry, ginger ale. Nothing? Blueberry lemonade.
Who
wants what? Everybody blueberry lemonade?
Oh, yes.
You want ginger ale?
Mami, no te acostumbres, que el amor es muy bonito.
You guys like it? You guys want more sauce or no?
Sabes que yo nací para estar sola.
Qué súper bien te ves, mami. Gracias. Let's collab, y'all. Your mom for real activated that thing. Love it. Thank you.